Most homes look incredible during the day, but when the sun goes down, all of that beauty disappears. Our goal is simple: to highlight the natural beauty of your home while improving safety, security, and the overall experience of your outdoor space. Every property is unique, which is why every lighting system we design is custom. Our process starts with understanding your home, your landscaping, and how you want to use your outdoor space. Some homeowners want to highlight architectural features, others want to create a dramatic nighttime landscape, and many want safer walkways and entry points. We design lighting that enhances what already makes your property special. Landscape lighting is both technical and artistic. Our experienced installation team ensures every fixture is placed precisely, every beam is balanced, and every system performs reliably. We use the highest quality LED lighting systems designed to be efficient, long-lasting, and visually stunning. The transformation can be dramatic. Landscape lighting completely changes how you experience your property. You see details you've never noticed before, and suddenly your outdoor spaces become places you want to spend more time. Landscape lighting completely changes how you experience your property. Connect with the team at Illumination FL and discover how custom landscape lighting can transform your property.